Hello, Professor Zawla again. Today we are doing another section of the West African Examination Council Senior Secondary School Certificate Examination, Mathematics for Liberian Schools. Today we are focusing on the number and numeration section, and we are doing a subsection on sequences and series. And we are focusing on two basic objectives. One is to solve real-world problems involving arithmetic progression, and two, solve real-world problems involving geometric progression. So basically, this is kind of connected to what we just did. So these are going to be basic theory that we have. We're just going to walk through it. Definition of a sequence. Good. And then the formula for arithmetic sequence, which we might come up to use. Geometric. Then the formula series, finding summation. Okay. This is basically the formula we can use to find the sum of a series. Okay, same thing. So we're going to just go actually into the problem we have. And this problem was taken from the WAEC Liberia 2010 number 3 essay problem. So let's see how we can do it. What are the information we need to do this problem? Let's read this problem. There's 7 terms. So we're talking about n is equal to 7. Geometric progression. Okay, so we know we're talking about geometric progression. So we say geometric. Good. Is 256. So A7 is 256. And the first term, that means A1 is equal to 4. All right. And they want us to find A5. So what is missing here? We know that to find this, the formula for find the term of a geometric progression is an equal to a1 r to the n minus 1. So we don't have r. So let's do this. Before we come here, let's use this information up here to find r. So an in this case would be a7. So that would be 256 equals to a1. Doesn't matter for anyone. It's going to be what? 4. R we don't know, but we know that n is 7 because we are using a and 7. So n is 7. 7 minus 1. So we're going to have 256 equals to 4 r. 7 minus 1 is 6. We're going to divide both sides by 4. Divide both sides by 4. We're going to have 64 equal to R6. Now we're going to take the 6th root of this. Take the 6th root of that. That will cancel. So our R is going to be equal to what? 8. Sorry, our R is going to be equal to 2. The 6th root of that. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 give us 64. So now that we know R, we can go ahead and engage the process of finding A5. So A5, that means our n in this case is 5, will be equal to A1. A1 is the same times R, which is what? 2 to the n, which is 5 minus 1. So that will be 4 times 2 to the 4th. 2 to the 4th is going to be 16. 16 times 4 would be what? 64. So A5 will be 64. And we can check and see. Our common ratio is 2. If I multiply 2 by 64, I will get 128. I will get a 6th term. If I multiply 128 by 2, I will get 256, which will be our 7th term. So that's great. This is a very basic problem. It's easy and simple. So now we're going to do number 2. Number 2 was taken from WAEC 2000, WAEC Liberia 2006. It was problem number 23. This is my an. An minus 1 will be 3. I will have 5. If I'm using this as my an, I will be 13 minus my an minus 1, which is 8. I will have 5. So indeed, it's arithmetic with a common difference d equals to what? 5. And I'm finding the sum of the first 17 terms. So I'm saying that my n is 17. Okay, I also know that A1 is equal to 3 By rule, the formula for the sum of the first n term of an arithmetic series is n over 2 times a1 plus n minus 1 times d. So we're going to substitute here. We are finding the sum of the first 17. So we'll put a 17 here. N is 17 over 2 times 2. My a1 is 3 plus n is 17 minus 1. My d is 5. Close it up here. I'll keep this here. I can keep this at 17 over 2. Let's see what I have here. I have 6 plus 17 minus 1 is 16. 16 times 5 is 80. So I'm going to have 17 over 2 times 86. And once I do that, my answer is going to be, what's my answer is going to be? Let me hurry do this division here. My answer is going to be 17 times 86 divided by 2. I think it's 731. Yeah, I got it. 731. If you can, please visit us online, www.freeliberia.org, and make a contribution to this course. Our intention is to expand our services to other content area. So your contribution will help to make that possible. Thank you very much.